you need to manage large quantities of crop in a short window of time? Do you have to transport bales over long distances? Do you have limited storage, and do you need to make more efficient use of it? Then Krone has the right machine for you. The Big Pack 1290 HDP2. The Big Pack 1290 HDP2 is the one high-capacity square baler that delivers unmatched efficiency, bale density, and operator comfort. The Big Pack 1290 HDP2 achieves up to 70% higher throughputs than its similar but smaller baler, the Big Pack HDP High Speed. To match the high ground speed, 8 double knotters are in place, tying the bales, allowing for unmatched densities. The HDP, High Density Press, the Krone formula for high-density bales. Big Pack 1290 HDP2 from Krone, the only way to bale, the specialist way, the high-density way. Technology engineered for professionals. On a Big Pack HDP, all the components work together perfectly. Krone Active Pickup is based on the camless EasyFlow pickup that was upgraded by a powered feed roller. The Active Pickup improves the crop flow significantly, especially in difficult harvest conditions. With a working width of 93 inches, 5 rows of tines that are spaced 2.1 inches apart, the camless EasyFlow pickup picks up everything. EasyFlow is simple by design and uses fewer moving parts, which results in extremely quiet running. The powered feed roller comes into its own in dry and brittle material, where it effectively increases the overall throughput. The special attachment of the massive crop press roller optimizes the crop flow in wide swaths. The Krone Active Pickup operates at a 30% higher speed, which helps Big Pack 1290 HDP2 to step up its work rate and maximize its throughputs. There is a growing demand for chopped straw because these bales are easier to break up and spread. This is another compelling reason to opt for the well-proven 26-blade X-Cut cutting system for a Big Pack 1290 HDP2. The X-Cut rotor cutter is 28 inches in diameter and has 5 rows of teeth to handle the throughputs. The teeth are in chevron arrangement and have wide hard-ox plates that help feed the crop to the rear and pull it through the rows of blades. 2 blade cassettes hold 26 blades, each equipped with individual breakback protection. The cassettes pull out hydraulically for easy removal of blockages or blade changes. Both cassettes conveniently pull out to the sides. The blades are removed without the use of any tools. At slow or fast forward speeds, in high or low yielding crops, in large or narrow swaths, the variable VFS filling system ensures the bale chamber is always filled to capacity and leads to consistently dense bales. Inside the Big Pack high-speed feed chamber, 4 packer rakes and 1 feeder rake pack and feed the material into the bale chamber. Initially, a retainer collects and retains the crop until the feed chamber is filled sufficiently. Then the feeder rake feeds it into the bale chamber. VFS ensures that consistently sized flakes of material are fed into the bale chamber. As a result, the bale chamber is always filled with consistent amounts of crop, irrespective of the windrow size. The result: well-shaped, solid bales. The Big Pack 1290 HDP2 bears testimony to a lifetime of experience and expertise in baler manufacturing. The optional hydraulic starting aid assists the HDP2 with starting and accelerating the flywheel to 300 RPM. The rotor cutter and pickup are powered via a separate driveline. Once the HDP2 is up and running, the PTO takes over. Then the rotor cutter and pickup kick in, powered by a separate Poly V-belt. This driveline concept offers a number of clear advantages. It reduces the baler's input requirement substantially, and the current wheel slip and load are displayed to the operator. Also, the shared rotor cutter and pickup driveline are shut off when the load is excessive. The pickup on VFS machines is powered directly by the main gearbox and driveshaft and is protected from overload by an integrated cam clutch. The massive 1,344-pound flywheel makes for quiet machine running. A right-angle gearbox takes care of good driveshaft alignment and increases the speed to 1,180 RPM for a more efficient use of the flywheel's inertia and hence very smooth operation. The massive and easy-running bevel gearbox transmits the power at great efficiency. At the heart of each Krone Big Pack is the plunger. The long funnel-shaped baling chamber has retainers and 6 hydraulic cylinders that control the pressure on the top and side walls of the chamber. The heavy-duty yoke is designed to handle the stress in non-stop operation. The Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP2 is specified to suit any conceivable harvest condition. When harvesting large windrows that require maximum power, the machine operates at 1,000 RPM and 45 strokes. In low-yielding crop, it is possible to reduce PTO speed to 850 RPM. This reduces the number of plunger strokes on the Big Pack high speed to an economical 38 strokes per minute. Contractors and farmers not only ask for high capacities and operational reliability, but also for innovative technology. The Big Pack 1290 HDP delivers high-density, well-shaped bales, even at high ground speeds. This puts an enormous strain on the twine and knotters, especially when baling material has a strong tendency to expand. Therefore, Krone developed a new, patented knotter system specifically for the Big Pack HDP2. This system is comprised of 8 slim double knotters. The individual twines are exposed to less pull and thus can hold denser bales. Another advantage is that the system can use the same twine as the standard HDP baler. This means Big Pack HDP2 is more economical and dependable. Each HDP2 bale is tied by 8 twines, the clearly visible trademark of Krone HDP2 high-density technology. The pneumatic cleaning system keeps the knotters clean and ensures all 8 knotters work dependably. A mechanical knotter fan is also available as an option for machines that operate in extremely dusty conditions. This fan establishes a permanent airflow and keeps the knotters clean and free of debris. 8 knotters tying up to 2 bales per minute. This output clearly requires the right amount of twine storage space. The large panels that cover the twine boxes have a dust-tight seal. The twine boxes fold up hydraulically for easy machine access. The boxes hold 54 balls of twine, enough to bale 800 HDP2 bales without refills. Those who want more can opt for 2 extra boxes that hold another 12 balls, or 10 balls and a toolbox. Very practical. Open the panel and fold up the box compartment to access the drive lines and service points. Service and maintenance are straightforward and quick. Profitability in forage harvesting is controlled by the costs of bale collection, transport, and storage. The viable solution is Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP2. This model delivers 70% higher throughput and a 10% higher bale density over the Big Pack HDP High Speed. Those 8 twines tie the bales dependably into straight-edged packages in all conditions. The uniform and straight-edged bales stack perfectly and are very resistant to rain. Big Pack 1290 HDP2, a new dimension in baling. Big straw bale harvesting becomes a reality thanks to the Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP2. Take advantage of Krone technology.